guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video, and I have yet another V-part wig from Amazon, and I'm gonna link all the information and details in the info section below. But look, y'all, I'm obsessed with these wigs, and at first I really didn't understand the concept because I couldn't really get it to look natural. But I have mastered a technique that works for me, and I have just been loving these wigs ever since then. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this wig. So the wig that I have comes from Unice, and they are available on Amazon. And then you guys get this, Amazon Prime Day is tomorrow, so in case you guys want to try this wig, definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime Day sale going on. Once again, all the information will be in the info section below. The wig that I have is their curly V-part wig. Mine is 22 inches long, 180% density. But I went ahead and I co-washed the unit. I'm just a little obsessed with making sure that what I'm putting on my head is clean. So definitely wash your wigs before you wear them. Now I'm just taking a little bit of this African Pride cream gel, and I am redefining the curls. I really wanted a tight, nice curl on this unit just because it was a little looser than I was expecting. So going with a little bit of gel in order to redefine those curls. And this is what it looks like. You guys see those curls are juicy and popping, but this is my hair, y'all. My braids are literally only a week old, and when I tell you they're looking super crusty, and that's because I'm always applying like an oil or like a water-based leave-in and then massaging my braids just to, you know, make sure that my hair is nicely moisturized and sealed. And y'all, yes, they look like they're a good year old, but I promise you guys they're not. My hair is clean. It's just a little extra product in there. So whenever my hair gets to this stage where it looks like I need to redo my braids, I definitely pull out a V-part wig or a U-part wig, and I just prefer to blend my hair in with it. It just looks a little more natural in my opinion. I'm able to see my scalp, to see, you know, my leave out, and I do know how to blend. I've been blending for years, so I think I've mastered this technique. But just in case a lot of you guys out there don't prefer to blend in your hair, or you're unable to, maybe your hair may be a different color, different texture, different length, whatever, I will link a video in the cards above so that way you guys can see Alicia no leave out method. I'll be sure to link that video above and below, so be sure to check that out. So I wanted to show you guys in real time how easily it was for me to blend my hair in with this wig. I am using little to no effort. I'm not fighting with this wig, and it's just coming together ever so easily. Now, in case you guys are wondering what product I use on my natural hair in order to get the definition that I have, I only use the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. I don't believe that that's a styler. It is literally just a leave-in. Now, in case you guys wanted a little extra definition, definitely go in with the styler. But hey, I just use a leave-in, and this is the definition that I got. Now, this wig definitely is coming together, and I just can't stop looking at it because I can't tell where my hair starts and where it ends. And even though my hair is much shorter than this unit, I still can't tell like where it starts and ends. It just looks like it blends in super effortlessly, and it looks super natural. And y'all, I'm here for it. I'm able to use my own scalp and my own edges in order to make it look like it is my real hair. But once again, you guys do check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll link all the information and details below, so be sure to check there. Once again, they're having their Amazon Prime Day sale. So in case you guys are interested in this wig or anything else that they offer in their Amazon store, definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime Day sale. Save yourself a little extra cash while looking cute this summer. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this wig, and let me know if you guys are going to be shopping on Amazon Prime Day. I'd like to know what you guys pick up. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.